Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be talking about finding the truth in the crazy news that we hear on a daily basis. Why do you think drama and negative news travel so much faster than positive good news? On a daily basis, we are inundated with just these crazy stories that are extreme examples of what may be going on. This morning, the guys on the National Real Estate Post were talking about this article they found that ranked a top 10 list of real estate markets that are actually declining. If you really got down to it, and you have to appreciate, because they did point out the facts in the news, that number one, almost all of them were well under 1% in general in a decline. I mean, we're talking like 0.2% and stuff like that, right? Next, of them, I think 8 of them were in 2 states alone, which means 48 states are still doing fantastic. Moving forward, it's going to be our duty as realtors to make sure we are keeping things in perspective. We're keeping a level head in a world that might be going crazy, right? Everybody thinks they know the real estate market, and what they hear may or may not be the real facts. Drama and negativity abound. Let's be the level-headed, positive people, and let's keep our markets awesome, guys. That's it for today. I'll talk to you guys later. Today's tidbit is to talk about keeping our heads in a crazy market. Keeping our heads in a world of crazy news stories. Keeping our heads in a world of crazy news stories. Keeping our heads in a world of crazy news stories. Keeping our heads straight in a world of, finding the truth in the world of news as we know it today. Keeping our truth straight in a world of,